Creating text in Canvas is straightforward, as it has similarities with other familiar authoring software. Using the Text tool, you can place text anywhere in the document and set its properties in the Properties panel. Text styling and alignment are likely already familiar. You can modify the text ink, background ink, outline ink, and text box ink. The thickness of the lines are managed clicking the Pen tool. Let me undo that. Notice we're still in edit mode by this T, so press Escape to get back to your object, and Escape to get back out of that. If you want an area for text that needs to fit a particular shape, use the Text Object tool to set that shape, and you can type into it. You can resize this as appropriate to align with your text. Let's set the text with the text properties and paste that text in. Again, we can resize that shape as appropriate. If I'm doing a lot of detailed work with text, I like to have the Type palette open. Go to Window, Palettes, Type. In the Type palette, you can manage characters, turn hyphenation on and off, change spacing, change paragraph information. I'll make this a little smaller. The Table tool lets you draw a particular table anywhere you want in the document, and you can set the number of columns and rows. Let's change the properties, and I'll paste in some text. Let's draw a title for this table. I can use the Text Format brush to select the formatting I want, and then select other text to apply that styling. Let's say I want to make a change to my text. Let's say I want a little nicer spacing and a slightly different font. I'll apply that. You'd have to make those changes to all similar objects, but you can choose Styles, Create, and give this a name for use in the future. Save it, and then you can select your object and pick that style. You can save those styles to a file. That means you can share them with others and they can use the same text styling in their projects.